Okay, everyone. Pag sinabi ko po dribble, sige po tapos sa may harapan. Sige po, punta po dito. Sige po, punta po. Punta po, huwag kayo matakot. Sige po, punta po. Pag sinabi ko po dribble po. Tapos nagsubo siya. Ulit, dribble. Exhibition. Pass to player 2. Player 2, dribble. Exhibition. Pass to player 3. Player 3, dribble. Exhibition. Pag sinabi ko pong shoot that ball, kailangan kong paputokan ng lobo. So para maputok ang lobo, upuan to. Okay, ready everyone? Galing yung 1, 2, 3 na magputok ng lobo, depende po sa timing. Ready everyone? Dribble. Exhibition, pass to player 2. Pass to player 1. Pass to player 3. Pag sinabi ko ng cup, kailangan ko kunin ang cup. Okay, ready everyone? Alam niyo po tayong cup? Ayan, ready everyone? Turning shot. Okay, pag sinabi ko ng goal, gusto mag-start. Go, head. Ano, ginagawa pa ng cup? Head, shoulder, knee, toes, head.
Gusto mo ng airplane?
Yes!
Gusto mo ng airplane? Mama ko ng kape.
Nasa head pa lang po tayo. Head. Again. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Toes. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Wala yung up. Again. Pag nandun up, doon pa lang tuloy ang up. Ayan. Ulit. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Toes. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Toes. Head. Shoulder, knee, toes, knee, head, go! Sino na nagawa ng cup? Pataas ko na ng cup. Okay.